Hello guys, vanakkam and welcome to Media Nursing Academy, one of the leading academy in training nurses in the nursing competitive exam IELTS, OET and NCLEX training. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a vacancy announcement which is made by Oil India Limited. It is coming under Government of India. Yes guys, it is coming under central government and here the salary package is obviously very good. Okay, so it is a nice opportunity for those who are willing to work in central government. And also I would like to say that it is a nice opportunity for the boys because here 80-20 ratio is not there like not set. Okay, fine. So let's go in detail about this vacancy. In this vacancy or in this video, the content what we are going to discuss is how many vacancies are announced and where this vacancy is announced and what is the eligibility criteria, what is the mode of application form. So all these details, each and everything we are going to discuss in detail. So watch the video till the end. Definitely it will be so much useful for you. And if you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's begin the session. So as I mentioned already, this vacancy is announced by the Oil India Limited, a Government of India enterprises. So where it is present, it is the vacancy is announced from Arunachal Pradesh. Where? Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so they have announced huge number of vacancies. Okay, with the different postal codes. You can see different postal codes here. These are all the different vacancy what they have announced. Okay, so let's go to the nursing point. So here you can see that is NTR 12023. Okay, so this is the postal code for nursing vacancy. Okay, and here they have mentioned that grade 5 package is going to be issued for the selected candidate. The salary scale is going to be, the pay scale is going to be 32,000 to 1,27,000. It is clearly mentioned here. Okay, and essential qualification and experience what they are expecting is here. You can see all those content here. BSc nursing or post basic BSc nursing from an institute recognized by Indian Nursing Council. So you supposed to complete BSc nursing or else post basic BSc nursing, or else if you even completed MSc nursing also you can apply here. Okay, but make sure you have completed your course in a recognized university or recognized college by Indian Nursing Council. Okay, and the next important essential qualification what they are expecting is experience. Yes guys, they have asking for around 2 years of experience. Okay, so must have professional experience of 2 years after obtaining registration from the State Nursing Council. After getting your RN and RM, that is registered nurse, registered midwife certificate, you supposed to have how many years of experience? 2 years of experience. So this is the second qualification what they are expecting. Okay, and total number of vacancy what they have announced here is 8. So totally 8 vacancy they have announced here. It is coming under grade 5. Okay, so let's see other important details. Only we are going to cover the important point from here. Okay, and here you can see, is there any reservation? Yes, absolutely there is a reservation. Here you can see NTR 12023. This is the code what they have given for nursing vacancy. So for here, for UR 4 vacancy they have announced, SC 1 vacancy, ST 1 vacancy, OBC 2 vacancy, economically weaker section there is no vacancy. So totally 8 vacancy they have announced here. Okay, so this postal code is very important. So everywhere they are not mentioning nursing. Instead of nursing they are mentioning only the postal code. Okay, fine. So in addition to the reservation of the post of SC, ST, OBC, OBC means make sure you are having non-creamy lawyer certificate. Okay, and the post is also reserved for the person with benchmark disability and ex-service person. But how much post is allotted for this one they have not mentioned, and how they are going to allot that is also not mentioned. Okay, fine. And the next thing is, so NTR 12023. So these are all the physically challenged persons vacancy, different types of physically challenged. Okay, the abbreviation of these physically challenged is mentioned here. Okay, so if you are having any doubt, you can go with this abbreviation also. Okay, so if you are coming under this one and if they have mentioned here in this NTR 12023, so you are eligible as a physically challenged person, you are eligible. This is the point only for what, whom, physically challenged person. Okay, next, age limit. So here again we have to go for what? Postal code. In postal code NTR 12023, for general 32 is the age limit, and for SC 37, and for ST 37, and for OBC 35. So this is the age limit what they have fixed. Okay guys, and the next one is, they have mentioned here minimum age limit of 18 years, and age relaxation is applicable for as mentioned in the reservation category. Okay, as mentioned here. Okay, fine. And for age proof, they are asking the mark sheet, that is 10th mark sheet for the age proof. Please make sure in your 10th mark sheet there is your date of birth. It should be present in the 10th mark sheet. Your date of birth should be present in the 10th mark sheet. Okay guys, fine. And other informations like let's see only the important point: concession and relaxation. Yes, see, relaxation of the age will be provided to the respective categories as given in the relevant clause herein. Okay, and SC/ST economically weaker section, person with benchmark disability, ex-service candidates are accepted for the payment of online application fees. This is very important point guys. So what they are mentioning here is, if you belongs to SC/ST economically weaker section and person with disability, no need to pay any kind of application fees. So it shows that if you belongs to general category and if you belongs to OBC category, only that time you supposed to pay the application fees. Okay, and also they have given one privilege for SC/ST and person with benchmark disabilities. They are giving what? They are going to reimburse the second class rail and bus ticket. Okay, so but you supposed to show the SC/ST and benchmark disability certificate to them while coming for the exam, coming for computer based test. Okay, so whatever you are spending, so that amount will be reimbursed. Okay, so make sure you are coming in second class rail or bus so that huge amount will be refunded. Okay, and next one is selection methodology. As I mentioned already, computer based test is going to be there, CBT as usual. Okay, and for SC/ST candidates 40 marks, 40% is the minimum passing mark, and for others 50 is the minimum passing marks. Okay guys, and the next one is syllabus. See, here they have mentioned the syllabus very clearly. First, let's see the section. They have divided the section or part into 3: A, B, C. In this ABC, the first one is English language and general knowledge and questions on Oil India Limited. So 3 things they have mentioned here: English knowledge, general knowledge, and knowledge about the Indian Oil Limited. Okay, so these 3 things are covered in the part A. And part B, reasoning, arithmetic, numerical and mental ability. And for part C, your subject knowledge, your technical skills or subject knowledge. Okay, so based on these 3 things only you are going to be scored. For example, for English, general knowledge and Oil India Limited questions, 20% of marks you will be getting. And for reasoning, arithmetic, numerical, mental ability, they are giving 20% marks. And for your subject knowledge, means your professional subject knowledge, they are giving 60%. So total it is 100%. Okay, fine. And very good news is there is no negative marking in the computer based test. Okay, and the exam will be in bilingual language. The exam will be in bilingual language, that is English as well as in Assamese, because Arunachal Pradesh mostly Assamese is the mother language. Okay, so in exam English as well as Assamese, both bilingual language test will be there, and the examination it is going to be for 2 hours. Okay, and for person with benchmark disabilities, extra time will be given for completing the computer based test. It is a routine one. Okay, fine. And the document, what are all the documents? So as usual guys, all your 10th mark sheet, graduation mark sheet, and they are asking for 2 years of experience, right? So experience certificate, all those details has to be submitted, and make sure you are having a 2 set of attested photocopies when they are calling for document verification. Okay, fine. And other important points are, and okay, related to the certificate, as I mentioned already, see, if you belongs to SC ST OBC certificate, you should have the SC ST certificate, okay, as well as OBC certificate means it should be a valid OBC certificate, and make sure it is having a non-creamy lawyer. Valid OBC certificate means one financial year is valid, is the time period for one OBC certificate. One financial year is valid for one OBC certificate. Okay, so make sure you are having a valid OBC certificate. And if you belongs to economically weaker section, then you should have a income certificate as well as the asset certificate. Person with disability, how much percentage of disability you are having? So most probably 40% or more means it should be, they will have to have the physically challenged certificate from the Government of India Medical Board. Okay, so that point they have mentioned very clearly. And they will be communicating with you through the email and SMS only. Okay, so make sure while you are registering yourself for the first time for applying the online application, make sure you are giving the correct email ID and phone number. Okay, and if you are working in government sector, you supposed to submit the no objection certificate. Okay, fine. And the result will be declared in this website, and so you supposed to watch this website frequently for the further informations. Okay, and what else? How to apply? Here they have given all the vital points. Let's see in detail. So here you can see, first you have to click on this website, whatever they have given here. Okay, after that you supposed to apply for your user ID and password. You have to register yourself and create the user ID and password, and user ID and password will go to your email ID as well as SMS. You will be getting as a SMS. Okay, so whatever the user ID and password you are getting in SMS or email ID, just type it in the login ID, and the application form will, online application form will open. So this is how you supposed to register yourself. And also they have mentioned one thing very clearly: once you enter the details in the online application form, it cannot be changed. So make sure you are applying correctly. And online application fees, as I mentioned already, for general and OBC candidate they are charging 200 rupees. For other candidate like SC ST candidates and physically challenged candidates, they are not charging any fees. Okay, fine. So this is all about the vacancy details, guys. If you have any doubts related to this, please comment me in the comment section. And all the best for your exam. If you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. And all the best for your upcoming NORCET examination.